Alright, hi everyone. So today we're gonna be cooking with Granny. So yeah, let's cook with Granny. So let's do that. I'm gonna do this on easy mode because maybe Granny will crash me like crazy if I do it on hard mode, even though I usually do it on hard mode. So let's do this. Yeah. So we woken up. This is me when I'm very fat, and I woke up out of nowhere. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, guys. The cookbook. Let me get the cookbook. Oh, guys. Okay, let's go. Let's get this stuff here. Nothing that stupid. Wait for it, guys. I need to know birdseed. I need to get that later. So I'm gonna put the cookbook and where's Granny right now? Oh, hi. Alright, so we're gonna put the book here and put it there. Alright, I need to get the Alright. So yeah. Where is Granny? Granny. Let me get my phone first. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Alright. So now yeah, we got my phone. Actually not everything. I need to get some stuff to create something. Ugh. Alright. Alright, let me wait for Granny. So Granny, come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, bestie. Alright, so bestie. Car key. I need to cook this. I have to cook this. Alright. Okay, guys, so we got all the stuff we need. So let's do this. Where's Granny? Okay, let's get a GoPro. Alright, guys. Alright. Granny! Come here, you fat bitch. Excuse me, girly. I'm not here to offend anybody, but girl, you bad looking like your mom, bro, your neighbor, your I don't know, bro, your daughter. Okay. Alright, so let's do that again. Let's get her ashes. Let's get her parents' ashes. Granny, you better fucking come here. Because there's nothing inside here. And I'm gonna cook it with ashes. Oh gosh. Girly. Please. Granny. Come here. Right this instant. Okay. Here's what I changed. It's cooking. Excuse me, Granny? We're here to cook things, not attack. What do you think this is? WWE? Gosh, no! Granny is driving me crazy! Lose again. Birdseed in. Alright, that's good. Now we need this. Yeah. It's all salt. Then where are you? Come here this instant. Alright, there she is. So we're gonna put salt in. And he's not again. Alright, so we got it here. I hate you so much, Granny. Alright, day 4. Day 4. So let's go. Oh my gosh, girl. You're driving. Let's put the car key in. Alright. Granny, get the hell out of Come here. Come here, you fathead. Where are you, Granny? There you go. Alright. Okay, we're done. Yes. Eat it. Granny? Come on, let's eat it together. Eat it. Let's eat it together. Come on. Yeah, finally here. Are you excited? Okay, I'm gonna end it like that, so bye.